Hello, good evening everyone and welcome back to White Fortress Cybersecurity. So last video lecture में हमने start कर दिया था अपना OSINT का क्या okay. In last video lecture we started with our digital footprinting topic, and today is the second video of it. We have already covered several tools like Grabify, IP Logger, network, who is record, who is lookup, domain dossier, have I been pawned, and other websites like this. Now we are going to continue with a few more topics. What is OSINT framework and how can we collect information just using a specific image? Okay, so there are multiple more tools that we are going to cover today. Guys, if you get any doubts, any questions, you can let me know. Very good evening, Louise, Anish, and Pavani. Welcome to the channel, everyone. Okay, I haven't changed the lecture number. Thank you so much for likes. And let me share it with all the students, the link. And guys, if you have any doubts, any questions in the previous video lectures, you can let me know in the chat. Hello, Krishna. Welcome to the channel, everyone. Okay. So the OSINT framework is collection of multiple tools, resources used to gather publicly available information about a person, organization, IP, domain, and more, all without unauthorized access or hacking. So basically, whatever information that we want to gain about a particular person, we can simply gain it using your this OSINT framework. What is OSINT? Open source. OSINT is your open source. Where is it? Just a second. Open source intelligence. And with this, you can gain information on your target. It could be anything, and your target could be an individual, could be an organization. So let's see. So for first tool that we are going to use today is very easy. We all know about it. That is your Google Lens. Okay, so this image search engine, you already know, guys, Google is itself a very, very strong search engine, very good search engine. So you can directly use this specific like Google Lens to find information about specific any person. So for example, let's take any name. I cannot think of any other name than Pihu. Let's take an image. Okay, this is a scary movie. Um, let's take any surname as well. Okay, so for example, we got this particular profile of LinkedIn. After typing Pihu Bansal over here, I'm gonna just use Google Lens to find more information about this specific. And I'm not targeting anyone. I'm just showing some stuff. So, like, if we have any image, we can try to look into it using your Google Lens. Then we can simply go. And here you can see her name is Pihu Soni. Then you can, she's working in Dubai or something. Okay. PNB means Singapore consultant. She's a consultant. What she works for, growth consultant in Bluestone full time, and other stuff. Like you can gain information on a specific person using their LinkedIn profile, using their Instagram profile, and other stuff. Also, we have another search engine, that is your Yandex. Now, Yandex can also be used to find a specific image. Like, for example, let's go over here and you can select any image from here. I Let me save it. Save image as download. Set. Okay, here let's use this one. I'm just randomly taking any image. And here it is providing me with some similar search results. So this is another search engine for the videos. Also, you can look for videos, maps, and it has got multiple other options as well. We have Yandex AI, we have this is another search engine too. That one. Next we have is we have already covered VPN checker, Chodan, Fertilizer. We have covered Grabify IP logger, with which I can just send a link to my target and I can get the IP address of my target. And there will be a normal video or any link that you have attached to that will be opening. Let me just check some more tools that I have. Shidan. There is another extension, cookie editor. Okay, this is another one, cookie editor. This one you can use to edit the cookies. Like for example, I am in this TryHackMe. I have logged in into my TryHackMe. Here I'm going to cookie editor. Then I'm gonna allow it. Click on cookie editor, and here you can see my session cookies. Okay, if someone has these session cookies, they can log in as me into my account. So if, for example, I have got a premium account and someone steals my cookies, so what will happen? That person will be able to take access of my account and will be able to use the premium rooms, will be able to do the premium rooms as well. Next we have is ID crawler. Next tool is ID crawler. Here, ID crawl, free people search engine. So here, let's put a name, Pihu, Bansal or anything. I'm just using some random name and then search for it. Here, it will give me all the search results like accounts that are available on the Instagram named as Pihu Bansal, accounts that are available on Twitter that are some background check, public records, some phone numbers if available, some email addresses, some Yahoo email addresses are here, some other public records, relatives. Then on Facebook, how many Pihu Bansals are there? So on Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and usernames, some other usernames that can be used by Pihu Bansal specifically. So all the usernames that are available naming Pihu Bansal. Here you can see all of them. Next, LinkedIn profiles, city and state history of someone if there, then there might be some websites, some Pinterest accounts are here, Quora accounts, Postmark accounts, some web results, everything will be seen only at this one place, that is your idcrawl.com. So this is also a very good tool. Next we have is IP geolocation. I think I've already covered this one. Yeah, in the last video also we covered it. IP geolocation. So here you just simply input the IP. Here you can see it's showing my IP. Already it has taken my IP and it is saying it's from Delhi, NCT, India. Okay, so I'm from Delhi and it's from North Delhi and stuff like that. If I'll be using VPN, then it will give me address of my VPN. And let me check your messages just a second. If you get any doubts, any questions, let me know. Okay, so this is another tool. Now let's just come to the this part and then we will do the try hack me OSINT room. What is the OSINT framework? The OSINT framework is a collection of tools and resources used to gather publicly available organization information about a person, organization, IP, domain, and more without unauthorized access or hacking. So we do not do any malicious thing. We are simply just looking over the internet or publicly available information that is already there by using some of the websites, some of the tools and techniques. Then it is widely used by ethical hackers, law enforcement, cybersecurity professionals, researchers, and investigators. And another website is osintframework.com. So here you can find many more tools in the OSINT. Here we have got some username checkers. So how many usernames are available? Here is name check, you can see. This name check will also tell you about how many accounts are there on a specific person's name. Just like we checked an ID crawl. Okay, next here, like for example, let's use Sneha Sheesh or any name like that. I'm not a robot, then let's search for it. And here, okay, this one is checking all the domains that are available. Okay, if there is any website named as this one, here check usernames. This Sneha Sheesh username is already taken on YouTube, Shopify, Basecamp, and here and there. So you can just go open these and simply check for where it is there, or you can just simply go to YouTube and search for it. Another, we have got some for email addresses, some breach data stuff. Have I been pawned? I've already told you about have I been pawned. If ever your data has been pawned or your website or your number has been leaked, you can check it on have I been pawned website. Domain name checker here, some whois records. Main tools, I've already told you about some of the main tools that are usually used. So here also you can find multiple tools and also some dark web related tools, some metadata tool that we are going to use today, access tool, and telephone numbers for instant messaging, people search engine. We have got many tools over here, but some of them are outdated. So for that, you need to just go through all of these and check each and everything. Okay, just try, experiment what information you're getting on which tool. So I've told you about the main ones that I have known about. Here you can see for people search, we can use people. That's another web people search. Next, being verified, Spokio tells about the public records and social media profiles, username search. Tools like Sherlock and What's My Name can be used. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, social searcher can be used for gaining information on a specific person. For websites, you can use Whois Lookup, DNS Dumpster, Wayback Machine. Okay, this is a very good tool, Wayback Machine. So this tells us a lot about the websites, that how they previously used to look like, what services, what technologies were being used in specific websites in the past. So this is also used by many ethical hackers. Here, like for example, I'm gonna just type www.tryhackme.com for now. So here are some of the snapshots, like how it used to look on 1st January and how it looks now. Okay, whenever there are some changes made to the specific website, you will be able to see them. So let's go to tryhackme.com present website. Okay, this is the present website. Let's close it. And let's see how it looked like on 1st January. It looks something like this at the moment. Hey, white, there is a very cute emoji over here. Then we have all this stuff, our progress metrics, we have profile refresh option, we have weekly missions now, and some new rooms, everything like that. Let's go on the 1st January. Let's see how it looked like on 1st January. It's taking a while to open. It's loading. It usually does not take this much time. Let's wait a little more. Almost there. Let's try it again. Wait, tryhackme.com. 1st January, snapshot. Okay. And guys, if you have any questions, any doubts, you can let me know. Here you can see now that this is how it looked previously. It had anyone can learn cybersecurity with try, hack me, learn, practice. It looked not very attractive, and now it looks something like this. Hey, white, my learning progress. The fonts have changed. The font size is also changed. Here previously there were used by media and stuff like this is at the bottom, and here at the bottom there is not much in here. Let's go on dashboard, maybe. There is not even dashboard here, I think. Okay, it's here you can see all the captures that are available are from 2nd December to 2008, from 2nd December 2018 to 25 October. Just way back URLs from very previous snapshots are very slow. Okay, here it will take a while. I think let's move to another tool. So this Wayback Machine tells you about how exactly your website looked like, and we can also find some other vulnerabilities and functionalities that might not be there. Okay, it's saying status, success, data, token, and stuff like that. Okay, that's it. Next, let's move to OSINT, join room. And here it is telling us to download the task file. Let's download it. Here we downloaded this, and this is the image that we have found. Okay, let's go back to OSINT in the downloads. Here is the image. No, download task file. Sorry. From here you can download it. Why is it not getting downloaded? Okay, let's download it from here. Maybe save image as downloads, and I'm gonna save it here. Okay, here we have it. Now it is asking that what information can you possibly get with just one image? Okay, so let's see what possibly we can get just by this image. And this challenge was updated on, if you are following any older walkthroughs, expect a small change. Additionally, the file is also available on the attack box under rooms OSINT directory. Okay, let's start. So it's asking what is the user's avatar of. So it is saying what is the user. Just by the image, we have to find the user, and then we have to find the user's avatar as well. So what can we do? We can simply use a tool, that is your EXIF tool. EXIF tool. So EXIF tool is a very good tool that can be used to find information about an image, any file hyphen h. Okay, so it says that you have to simply type except tool, then you can type some options which are available, and then the file name. So I don't think there are any much options. Let's just let's just put the file in the desktop first of all. That image that we have got, that we have downloaded. Let's put it here. Here we have it. Now let's go back to our Kali, and I'm gonna type exif tool here, and the image. What's image is on desktop, so I'm going to give the path desktop, and on the desktop it's something like Windows XP, and here you can see the information that we have got. EXIF tool version, okay, file name, directory, file size, when it was last modified. It's telling about right now's time because I've just used it. EXIF tool, then longitude, latitude, copyright. Here you can see copyright right of O Wood Flint. So we found a username over here. Let's copy this. Control to C, encoding process, and it's a JPEG image, longitude and latitude of the image when it was downloaded, when it was taken, and sometimes you might be also able to see the camera that took that image. Yes, yes. Except tool extract the metadata of the image. That's correct, Louise. You already have a great knowledge about ethical hacking, I guess. Let's continue. Now we will simply look for this on the internet. Let's look for this name. O Wood Flint. Here you can see O Wood Flint. People Finder. Here we can see a Twitter account. Let's open the Twitter account. Here is the profile, and you can see a cat over here. From my house, I can get free Wi-Fi, and these are the posts of that specific person. I like taking photos and open source projects. Hello world. So let's go back. So it was asking what is the user's avatar of, it was a cat. Okay, this is the avatar. Next, what city is the person in? Person is in. So here you can see we have got a BSS ID, and it we need to find with that BSS ID, we can find which city that person lives in and what is the SSID. Let's take the BSS ID from here first of all and paste it over here. Okay, what is the SSID? Oh, sorry, SSID of the of that uh, what do we call it? SSID of the Wi-Fi that person is connected to. So this is different. And that then what is his personal email address? What site did you find? his email address on, where has he gone on holidays, and what is the person's password. So we have to find a lots of things just by this simple image. So next is, what city is the person in? So let's copy this VSS ID and let's look for it. Also, okay, let's maybe try to search it online. And just a second, I don't remember what's going on. Also, here you can see that there was a GitHub account. Okay, here you can see the GitHub account. Oh, what Flint people finder. Hey, hi, all. I'm from London. I like taking photos and open source projects. Follow me on Twitter. This project is a new social network for taking photos in your home and everything like that. Also, here is the mail. Okay, here that person has already provided its mail. So let's copy this mail as well. And we know that he's from London as well. So let's put the city he's from is London. Personal email address, maybe this is it. Let's try it. Yeah, so that was its personal email address. Next, SSID, and what site did you find his email address on? We found the email address on GitHub. So let's just put that over here. GitHub. Also, let's check email if you want to help out soon. This is okay. Here you can see the website, the WordPress site that we have got over here. Here you can see it says, hey, I'm in the New York right now. So I will update this site right away with new photos. So this person is saying I'm in New York right now. So let's just copy this. So he has gone on holidays in New York. What is the person's password? Let's try using Control U maybe for looking for some of the data that is available in here. So if there is anything that he has commented or something, no, I don't think there is any much to find. Using Control U, nothing informative is there. It's just the website. Then there is contact information. Okay, here we can contact that person with name, email, commenting, and stuff like that. Okay, so we have already found that what is his avatar, city he lives in, his personal email address, and he has gone for holiday in New York. Now, for like looking for this SSID, we can use a simple application that is your wiggle.com, wiggle.net. Sorry, here we have this site wiggle.net. So using this, we can simply find a person's Wi-Fi using your BSS ID. So if you have BSS ID, what is BSS ID? BSS ID is basically MAC address of a system. So now we are simply gonna put over here the BSS ID. Okay, let's go and copy it again from the Twitter. And Let's hit filter. Let's see where I can find this BSS ID. I've already like set the BSS ID, then I filtered it. Okay, here you can see that in London. Here, let's see. Let's zoom in as much as we can. Here. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Hello, happy, welcome to the channel. I'm watching lecture 8 of old course right now. Really helpful. How does Grabify work? Okay, happy. So basically, and sorry guys for the late reply. If that's just I'm just into it. So for Grabify, like for example, I have this grabify.link. Here I can put any link. Like for example, here I'm putting this specific link over here, and I can tell my friend that here, check this out, check this post, or something like that. Okay, then I create a URL. Then I agree and create URL. And here it will give me a shortened URL. So I can just simply copy this URL and send it to my friend. So when my friend will open it, that person will be able to see this account or whatsoever I have embedded in that specific URL. And this is the new link. Copy HTTPS, Grabify, and something like that. Then when I reload the site after opening, after that person has opened, here you can see, I will be able to see the IP address, India, Delhi. Here you can see IP expose, click to hide or stuff like that. Then here is the IP address, country, browser, operating system that person is using, host name, and internet ISP that person is using. So Grabify can be very helpful in getting IP address of your target. So whatsoever is your target, you can use Grabify for that. I hope happy your doubt is clear. If you have any questions still, you can let me know. Let's go back to Wiggle and let's look for it. Okay, I'm not able to see anything now. Let's again click on filter. Yeah, here it is. We need to find more information. Okay, it has reached the daily line. I guess, yes. This, it has got like Charles Street, something like that. Density, range, I don't know, maybe, okay. Date range. Not sure. I'm not able to, but we can see the street name. Uh, B327 Saint Albans Street, and nothing much in here. Let's go back. What was the question? What is the SSID of WAP he connected to? We know the BSSID, but what is the SSID? I don't know. What's the SSID? Filter. Okay, happy. Glad to help you. SSID. Just a second. The it's question. Mhm. Okay, I'll try to open it in another account. Maybe it has you reached some daily limit. I don't know. Let's open it in some other account and try it again to get the SSID. And let's copy this again. And here I'm going to put the PSS ID, then filter again. Let's look for London. Why is it showing daily limit, daily limit? I don't get it. It, I don't think it previously used to show something like that. Yeah, it's okay. We'll get to this one later. What's the next question? What is the person's password? Let's go back to that site that we got. Here I was looking into this one. The site, in the site, I was looking for the source code. I'm gonna try to find something like password maybe. Pass, over the pass. No, nothing like password over here. Let's go back to home tab. Okay, here you can see I'm in New York right now, so I will update the site right away with new photos. And here you can see this is somewhat hidden over here. Penny dropper, and this has got the white font color, so that's why it was not visible to us. So this is probably the password. And also, after pressing Control U, if I just look for it, Penny, yeah, it's here in the class Penny Dropper. I in the paragraph, I am in New York right now, and the color is triple F, that is for white. So this is the password of that person. Okay, now we just need to find the SSID. So you can use simply BiggleNet for that. And I don't know why it's not working, but it usually works really fine. Biggle. Okay, here I am not able to see that purple color anymore. Okay, previously I was able to see that, but now I'm not. It's okay, but just we have to zoom into it till we get the BSS ID. Oh, sorry, SSID. SSS BSSID is your MAC address, and SSID is something like this. Like for example, I just open my Wi-Fi, and here you can see White Fortress 5G, something like that. This is your SSID, and your MAC address is your BSS ID. I hope this thing is clear to you. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can let me know. Discord hai, got about till then is the stream. Stream is ending already. Happy. And yes, we are on Discord. The link of Discord is already given in the description below. You can join us on Discord also if you're interested in joining our courses and getting certified. You can also contact us on the number that is given in the description below. That's the WhatsApp number and everything. Also, guys, if you want to enroll in our courses, there is a form as well as you can contact us on the number. If you have got any doubts, any questions for that, also you can contact us. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. And do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So that's it. This thing, just try to go to this wiggle net, and after this, just try zooming in onto that purple circle. So I'm not able to find it anymore just because of some daily limit of the site has reached, I guess. That's why it's not working, but usually it does work. Okay, then, guys, see you and thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you are interested in the courses, you can definitely contact us on the number given in the description. There are multiple courses like Certified Ethical Hacker, CCNA Cisco Certified Network Associate, Web Application Pen Tester, Mobile Application Pen Tester, and we have got it all covered in our courses. Digital Forensic Expert, or you want to be a SOC analyst, you can contact us for any of those. See you guys tomorrow on the same time, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. And tomorrow we will be covering a new topic, that is your social engineering. It's a very interesting topic, and we will learn about phishing in this one. So, thank you for watching, everyone. See you tomorrow.